वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। टेक बाय रहमान में खुश आमदीद। व्यूवर्स, आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा हाउ टू मेक मनी विद NFT 7 प्लस प्रॉफिटेबल स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर 2023। मैं आपको NFT के पैसे कमाने के ऐसे 7 तरीके बताऊंगा जिससे आप प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हैं। अच्छा, तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। इससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि हमारे चैनल की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुंच जाए। Are looking to learn how to make money with NFT? We will have you earning money from NFT in no time with our detailed guide. After blowing away the internet in 2022, NFT continue to be a major trend that everyone seems to be gushing over these days. You might have heard or read about how investors and creators have amassed huge of money that's life changing through NFT. Figuring out how to make money from NFT can be intimidating, especially with all the huge numbers being thrown around. The USD 69.3 million sales of deals NFT earlier this year shocked the internet and transformed the way people thought about digital collectibles. Everyone is now rushing to get their feet wet to catch this wave. Don't panic if you've been watching from the sidelines. Ensure where to being the NFT cruise boat has not sailed far yet. In this article, I will be sharing with you everything you need to know about NFT, how to create NFT, and different ways you can make money from NFT. How to make money with NFT table of contents. What an NFT, what gives an NFT value, create and sell NFT, how to create NFT, popular NFT platform and marketplace, how to make money from NFT, rent out royalties, trade NFT gaming, staking NFT, adopt NFT powered yield farming, invest in NFT startups. Where are some examples of high profile NFT sales? What is the future of NFT consultations? NFT refers to a non-fungible token. A non-fungible token is a digital asset that cannot be changed or duplicated. One way to think of these tokens is a digital equivalent of artwork from a private collection. Each piece of art in the collection is one of a kind and worth is distinct amount. An NFT, like a piece of art, can be sold for cryptocurrency or fiat. However, just like Bitcoin, the token asset transfer is recorded in the blockchain that establishes the ownership of a specific NFT. Each NFT is linked to the original owner, digital or in certain cases, physical asset. Technically, any digital object can be converted into an NFT. Anyone can turn famous tweet, Facebook posts, Instagram photos, and more to NFT and sell them. That's the beauty of NFT. See our guide on the different types of NFT. Now you might be wondering why people are blowing a religious amount of money on something intangible as NFT and are likely also wondering how do people even earn money from NFT or not. They just jibs. Will we will get into the that blow. What gives an NFT value? Consumer interest drives the value of an NFT just as it does for work. In our hypothetical art collection, the rarity and base of interested buyers are major factors that influence how much they are worth, just as they do with trading cards. Although an image can be converted to an NFT, no prevents it from being copied or shared. However, the blockchain stores and clearly shows who owns the assessed ownership of NFT can be faked. The euphoric feeling of having exclusive ownership is one of the major drives of its value. From the most part, the way people earn money and appreciate the value of their NFT is through resale. तो व्यूवर्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया हाउ टू मेक मनी विद NFT। उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो की प्रॉपर समझ लग गई है और वीडियो पसंद आई है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि हमारे चैनल टेक बाय रहमान की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुंच जाए। टेक बाय रहमान को दें इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।